Hello friends, my name is Rujul Desai. Today I am gonna to talk about the gravity, solar system, and etc. etc. Uh, uh, see, our solar system. You all know that our solar system is depend on the gravity, and that is revolution is rotation is happening because of the gravity, right? And right, and Earth is moving on its axis, right, and all planets are moving in axis. So my theory is totally different. First of all, I don't believe in the gravity. Second, I am not believing that all the planets and Earth is moving on its axis, right. Third one, I don't believe that Earth is orbiting the sun, right. Right. So when Apple fall down to Einstein head, he realized that there is something that is snatching toward the land, and he identified its gravity, and he introduced the theory of gravity. Right. Einstein came and he realized that gravity is not the reason. The reason is the curvature of space time. That is the relativity theory. Right. So my question against the relativity theory is that that is not possible, right. There are there are no logic, because what is the relativity theory within the earth atmosphere, why the is pulling toward the land, right. And the second one is the, if it is the relativity theory, then if all planets and earth are moving, right, so it will create the friction, and friction will slow it down to the moment, and it's gradually it will stop moving, right. That is not possible. Now the come to the gravity is not possible at all, right. Why? Because my question is, why sun has the highest gravity? If I believe that gravity exists, so sun has the highest gravity, right. So why sun not that pulling all the planets and earth toward it, right. So it might be collide, or it will be merged or like that with the sun. So but it's not actually happening, because they are telling that moving objects are not catch by the gravity, right. So this is how their own statement are contradict. On the one side, that they are saying that the moving object not controlled by the gravity. On the other side, they are telling that on the other side they are telling that moving objects are controlled by the gravity. How it's possible? So I give you the example. You just take the one magnet, right, and the iron ball. Just throw the iron ball nearby the magnet. So you can get only two reason. That is either magnet will catch the iron ball, or magnet will not control the iron ball. Iron ball, if you throw in one direction, it will move on the same direction and not orbiting the magnet. So that is not happening. Again, they have the excuses like that. Again, if you are moving on the earth, the gravity is the one of the reason. That is the but this is, you just try to understand. Now they realize the sun is might moving. So earlier they were telling that the sun is static, but now they realize the sun is moving. So they introduced the sun is moving through the galaxy, and the planets and earth is moving with it. How it's possible? How it's possible, sir? On the one side you are telling that gravity are not, sun gravity cannot catch toward it. On the other side you are telling it catch toward it and keep the distance. See, this is velocity or whatever. This is not possible. The only four reason, that is why the things are moving. That is the one is the weight, second one is mass, third one is energy, and fourth one is main reason is the shape, right. I just give you the example. Why the fan is moving? Because fan is moving because fan has energy, and the fan is have shape. That is why it's moving round and round, right. So same thing happening over here. See, all planets and stars and object have their own energy, inbuilt in-house energy, and the second one is the outsourced energy. So in solar system we have the outsourced energy, that is of sun. So it keeps the things moving, though it has not friction outside the atmosphere, so it can move easily, but still it requires some stage of energy, right? Some amount of energy, right? So that is the one of the reasons. Second one is the safe. That is the why. If you are, see, I give you the example. If you are traveling in a plane, right, and it's traveling in the 5 kilometer on the height from the land, and throughout the traveling, the distance remains the same, but circumference area is 10 kilometer, right? So people on the left side of the plane can see the sun directly because sun is on the east side. See, I give you the example. There is a one compartment between the plane that people on the left side can't see the right side, on the right side window. Right side window people can't see on the left side window. Now the plane is on the left side. After the 5 kilometers, plane is come on the right side. People on the right side can face the east area, and the left side can face the west area. So now the right side people can see the sun, and the left side people can't see, right? So same thing happens here. The sun, Earth is moving on its circumferences due to shape and all that, and sun is also moving on its circumferences. They have center area that is moving on the circumferences, right? So it's like I just give you the example. It might be I'm not sure, but it might be the upside down of the and furthest to nearest to the from the point of Earth, and moon is moving that round the round the Earth, and it has almost the same level to the Earth. It might have chances, not due to the gravity, but it is shape and it is movement like that, right? It is shape and weight. The sun has highest weight, so it will take more time. It will take more time to complete the one round. The moon has lowest weight, but the shape is also very important. I will just give you the example. One example, that is if Earth has convex or concave shape, so it will complete one round very fast. So Earth is completing its one round in 24 hours. Moon is completing its one round in 28 to 29 days, and the sun is completing its one round in 365 days, right? So that is how it's worked. 365 near about 365 days. So it's come to furthest and to nearest to furthest, and up to down from the Earth point of view. That is why the season is happening while the night and day, and the seasoning and some part are remain night for the 6 months, and some part never get sun rays directly because but we never visited beyond the sun. We never we are not orbiting the sun. That is one of the reason. Why within the Earth atmosphere things come down, because we have atmosphere, we have ozone layer, and we have atmosphere layer, and that is the stuffing, we can say. So stuffing, so when you do, it is a bounce back theory. When you throw anything to upward, so it will come back, because it's a bounce back theory, and that is why the ebbs and tides in come ocean and all that. So this is my theory. That is I called it free space moment theory. There's nothing, moment has nothing with the that gravity. It's a free moment, and if scientists make the experiment with them by taking and by just visualize my theory, by adopting my theory, so they will accurate result and perfect result, and they will that prove in that whatever experiment. I try to submit my theory in NASA and ISRO, but it is almost, I can say, it's impeccable. They never generally allowed the outsider. So this is the only the way that I can introduce my theory to YouTube. And my name is Rujul Desai. Will come up with the new theory. If you even go through my blog where I have given my theory. Right. Thank you very much.